Blue Star ID318DKU 1.5-tone 3-star Inverter Split AC is a popular mid-range air conditioner in India, offering a balance of performance and energy efficiency. Here's a detailed overview to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. To know about such related videos, subscribe to my channel. In this video we will discuss all details about AC to insulation pricing, so let's start. Key features and specifications. Capacity 1.5 tone, suitable for medium to large rooms. Energy rating 3-star, ISEER 3.85, offers decent energy efficiency. Inverter technology, yes, ensures variable speed operation for consistent cooling and energy savings. Cooling capacity 5010 watts, approx 17,094 BTU HR. Compressor, Rotary Inverter, known for quiet and efficient performance. Refrigerant, R32, eco-friendly with lower global warming potential. Condenser Coil, 100% copper, enhances durability and heat exchange efficiency. Convertible modes, 5-in-1 convertible, allows adjustment of cooling capacity based on requirements. Special features, turbo cool, sleep mode, antibacterial and dust filters, smart ready, acoustic jacket for noise reduction. Warranty, 1 year on product, 10 years on compressor. Hammer and wrench installation and accessories. Installation charges, typically around 1,199 rupees plus GST. However, some customers have reported being charged up to 2,150 rupees depending on the service provider. Outdoor unit stand, not included, usually needs to be purchased separately for approximately 700 rupees. Installation experience,